Dr. Alex, why are we social distancing or also physically distancing from other people?
Yeah, so one of the hardest things about this pandemic for everyone has been not seeing friends and family. And we like to use the term physical distancing more than social distancing because it's important to remain social, but physically apart to limit the spread of COVID.
So, Dr. Rashedat, how do we see friends and family safely?
Okay, so you can get together with people, but you need to stay away from large groups of people, especially those who aren't wearing masks. And also, when getting together with your friends and family, outdoors is better than indoors. So we know that when you're outdoors, you have more space to physically distance and actually do the 6 feet apart, and you can still do all the activities that you would love to do with your family and friends.
And should everybody be wearing a mask outside?
Yes, everyone should be wearing a mask in any of these gatherings.
So now we're going to talk about a few myths and things that you may have heard in the media or in the news. So Dr. Alex, can kids get COVID?
Yes, absolutely. We know that almost 100,000 kids were positive at the end of just July alone.
And can kids then spread COVID?
Yes, they absolutely can and do spread COVID.
Dr. Rashedat, what should I do if my kid is scared to wear a mask?
I would say is to talk to your kid. Kids get comfortable when we talk about things and lead by example, so they're more likely to wear their masks when they see you wearing your mask, and it takes away that fear and anxiety that they might have. So you should show your kid how you wear the mask, show them that there's nothing to be afraid of, and that it's fine. They will be fine. They're safer wearing the mask than not.
Dr. Rashedat, can wearing a mask make it harder for my child to breathe?
While it is uncomfortable for the child to be wearing a mask, it doesn't make it harder to breathe. So it's not dangerous. They will be fine. It's just something that will be initially uncomfortable for the kids because they are not used to it. No one's used to this way of living. It's just something that we will get used to eventually.
There's a lot of confusing information out there on various sites. Where would you guys recommend our patients and our families get their information?
One very good resource for up-to-date information and ways to stay safe is healthychildren.org.
And the CDC is another reliable source.
Dr. Rashedat, how do the masks work to help prevent the spread of COVID?
Okay, so by wearing the mask, when it's worn correctly, it actually helps to create like a screen between the spit particles that we spoke about earlier and the next person is around you. So we know that this germ is present in the spit particles when you talk, cough, sneeze, or do any of this, or raise your voice. And so by wearing the mask, it helps to create a screen or a barrier to trap those germs and prevents the spread to someone else who's close to you or beside you.
Well, thank you all so much for listening. We hope you found this short video to be really helpful and answer some of the common questions that you had. We hope that you and your family stay safe. And if you have any more questions or concerns, please reach out to your medical provider. We are all here and happy to help you guys navigate this new pandemic that we're all living through. So take care and stay safe.
Bye.
Stay safe, Minnesota.